Hi Bharat, welcome to Secretariat Talks. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you so much for inviting me, Sakshi and Sneha. Thanks a lot.
Okay, so we're gonna ask you four questions about your journey when you were the DRS in the year 1819. So starting with the first question, can you describe your journey to becoming the DRS of Road District C141?
Okay, so it's quite long. Okay, but yeah. So everyone has a dream, right, to become the president or to become the secretary or something or other, right? And I was always having a dream to become the secretary. Okay, not president, not TRR. Okay, and to be honest, ठीक है, वो मेरा dream था. So when I was in club, okay, in the second year, I was announced as a secretary, but then my president stepped down and they made me become the president and मुझे secretary बनने नहीं मिला था, right? So वहाँ पे dream actually वो हो गया, club level पे तो बन नहीं पाया. Then I applied for the district. Okay, so district में मैंने for 3 years I applied for the district joint secretary, but they always have something better for me, so they gave me district community service director or a ZRR position. So yeah, I never got a chance to become the district joint secretary. But the time Bhagwan ने सुन ली मेरी और 89 आया, and then Hansika asked me for the district secretary, and I was first time I was a little bit nervous because कभी secretariat किया नहीं, क्लब लेवल पे secretariat नहीं किया, ठीक है, district पे करने नहीं दिया किसी ने secretariat, right? And now the direct district secretary, so it's like a dream coming true thing. मतलब वो हो गया, मतलब हो गया, अभी कुछ नहीं करना, ठीक है, district secretary बन गए, वो ड्रीम था, रूट ट्रैक में अचीव कर लिया, ठीक है. सो 1819 वाज द ईयर व्हेन आई कैन से एक्चुअली कि मेरा रूट ट्रैक्शन कुछ सोचा था रूट ट्रैक में कि मुझे ये पोजीशन पे जाना है, वो पोजीशन था डीआरएस. एंड टू बी ऑनेस्ट इट वाज नॉट डीआरआर. यस, इट वाज अ डीआरएस. एंड तब से लाइक फ्रॉम द स्टार्ट ओनली आई हैव अ सॉफ्ट कॉर्नर फॉर द सेक्रेटरीट एंड इट विल बी ऑलवेज देयर, ठीक है. मैं डीआरआर हूँ फिर भी, ठीक है, डीआरएस के लिए वो चीज रहेगा ही, वो एवेन्यू के लिए, because I love it. I enjoy doing secretariat work. So that was my journey, starting in 1819. Hansika asked me about the secretariat and I was pretty much excited. ठीक है, I you can say वो ईयर में मैंने तोड़ दिया, मतलब पूरा चीज, मतलब पूरा एनर्जी सब उसमें लगा दिया, because when you are getting after a long time, आफ्टर 7 7 years में भी, तभी 7 साल हुआ था रोट्रैक में, 6 to 7 years के बाद तुम्हें कुछ चीज मिल रही है, ठीक है, करने के लिए, विच वॉज योर ड्रीम फ्रॉम द स्टार्ट. सो इट्स पूरा एकदम एनर्जी के साथ, पूरा हार्डवर्क के साथ वो ईयर को दे दिया. सो इट वॉज माई ग्रेट ईयर, यू कैन से. प्रोबेबली 10 year के जर्नी में I have learned a lot, and this year 1819 was my one of the memorable year, because I have got that position which I always wanted to. And I will tell you why, because when I was a president, okay, and I announced as a president, that time the secretary was Neha Kayal, okay, and she inspired me a lot, okay, to become the secretary. And also she was very calm and calm person and all. So from that time it was a dream, and now it was complete as a DRS 1819. I will keep, I will always keep this tag with me, district road track secretary for the year 1819, because it's really memorable for me. So yeah, that's the story.
That is one hell of a journey, honestly.
Yeah.
So, as you said that you have spent so many years in the district, what do you see, throughout these years? What is one thing that has really changed this year?
In 2021,
Yeah,
yeah, so obviously the major change online.
yeah,
Obviously. So in my root track journey, 10 years of journey, people will always crib about that what we will do in digital communication avenue. This is support function. Their work is making creatives, making videos and all. Okay, and whenever I used to go, so second most favorite avenue is digital media for me. Okay, so yeah, so whenever I used to go in OCV, I always talk about digital communication. और whenever कोई digital communication का बंदा मेरे सामने बैठा है और उसने project नहीं किया है, तो फिर उसकी क्लास शुरू होती है फिर कि क्यों नहीं किया डिजिटल कम्युनिकेशन में प्रोजेक्ट, राइट? देयर आर सो मेनी आइडियाज, देयर आर it's an open platform. You don't need finances, you don't need anything, you don't need any investment, in money, in terms of money or in terms of member or anything. You have to learn, okay, and think creatively and use it, right? Thanks to COVID, actually not to, but actually बोलना नहीं चाहिए COVID को thanks, but yeah, because of that, our members, our root tractors are, going towards the digitalization. Okay, they are, learning new things, learning technology. Okay, now सबको Zoom चलाना आता है यार, Zoom पे competition रख सकते हो तुम लोग, ठीक है, किसको अच्छे से चलाना आता है, ठीक है. People will tell you okay, how to use this kind of, different kind of features and all. So people are learning it, and people are, now getting used to it. Okay, digital communication, maybe, there are so many projects we can do. Okay, and I think in the count also, digital communication projects has increased this year because of, online stuff that, people are moving towards online. And पहले digital communication avenue को sideline किया जाता था, right? Now it's the main avenue. तुम उसके बिना कुछ कर ही नहीं सकते, ठीक है, मतलब ऑनलाइन है तो कुछ है ही नहीं, कोई भी एवेन्यू कनेक्ट करो, सबको ऑनलाइन जाना है, ठीक है. And digital communication is the avenue, who is making change right now, and probably next year also we will move forward, that we have a new initiatives in a digital platform like 21-22. We already started, in the digital platform. Like we have we are the first district in the world that having a district anthem on Ghana.com, or some famous platform. So we are the first district to having this stuff. So no one thought about it, why not Ghana.com, why not Savan, but we thought about it. If we are having a, some song or with us, why not to, use it there? And it's now in our copyright. Okay, so our district copyright, and it's on various platforms called Ghana, Apple Music, Podcast, and everywhere, right? So that's the first achievement you can say. And we are moving forward a lot of, digitalization and digital initiatives which will, change root track perspective, towards digital communication. कि भाई इतना ही नहीं होता है, ठीक है, बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म में. सो वी विल शो देम, इन द नेक्स्ट ईयर आल्सो. सो इट्स नॉट लाइक कि फिजिकल होगा, दोनों मिक्सर होगा नेक्स्ट ईयर, एंड ऑनलाइन एंड फिजिकल विल डू टुगेदर next year. So yeah, that's the change, and we will continue to continue for the next year also this change. So yeah,
absolutely. So Sneha will carry on with the next two questions.
Okay.
Yes, Sneha. Sorry. Yeah.
You've been a part of various avenues. So do you think that secretariat is an unexplored avenue? If yes, and why?
I feel yes. So in secretariat there are a lot of things to do. People think, कि उनका काम होता है सिर्फ बैकएंड पे बैठो, सिर्फ रिपोर्टिंग करो और रिपोर्ट्स रीड करो, उनके पास और कुछ काम धंधा नहीं होता, ठीक है, या फिर मीटिंग शेड्यूल करो. People don't respect their secretaries. People don't respect secretariat avenue. But now the things are changing. People are respecting their secretaries. People are respecting their avenue, right? Secretariat avenue. In the district level also, we are giving, priority to secretariat much, administration much, because we know it's a very important part of the life. For any organization, administration is the most important thing. If your administration is not strong, then your organization will not, grow in the moment, correct? If it will have so many problems in terms of communication, in terms of, having meetings, in terms of documentation and all. And we as a district, we are the, one of the finest district in the entire world that, focus on the administration and the secretariat much. And our district administration is very, very, very much strong. And we are proud of it that, we are focusing on it. So yeah, everyone should, explore this, this avenue secretariat, because there are a lot of things to learn. Okay. I'm telling you why, because when I entered in my profession in the corporate life, when I was, entering for my first job, मेरे साथ जो colleagues थे ना, उन लोग को email लिखना भी नहीं आता था, ठीक है. How to write an email to your boss, or how to write an email to a client, they don't know how to write it, right? Because they have never explored this avenue or something kind of thing. Okay, और उनकी लाइफ में कभी ऐसा कुछ आया ही नहीं, right? But thanks to RoadTrack, I always thanks to this organization. Because of that organization, मेरा इतना जल्दी प्रमोशन हुआ है वहाँ पे, ठीक है. Because I used to, do it everything, multitasking, या फिर, email में अच्छे लिखता था, तो client के साथ बात करने के लिए अच्छे से हो जाता था, right? So everything, I have learned from the secretariat avenue, I can tell you, because managing follow-up, taking follow-ups, or, taking updates from the clients as well in the corporate world, it's a task. Okay, and if you manage those tasks, then your boss will be, very happy. And these things, Rotaract touch me, in the entire 18, 19 year. So I think secretariat is a, wide avenue which we all have to, look into it. We will learn something or, other from the secretariat avenue. Nowadays, for the next year team, they are learning some email designing, creative designing email thing. Okay, so that's the new thing, right? They are exploring themselves and they are learning something new in the avenue. So it's not like just, writing minutes or, sitting in the back end, but they can be a front end. And, उन लोग भी एक face है district का, because whenever DRR or a president is not there, ठीक है, the next person is secretary who knows everything about the district, who knows everything about the club, right? So they are important. That's what I say.
Okay, so these are quite useful insights and new insights. So the last question is, are there any insights other than these that you would like to offer to the secretariat, to any secretariat?
Offer to any secretariat?
Yeah, any team.
Okay, so a kind of a message for secretariat, okay, for secretaries, okay, specifically, they feel, sometimes secretaries feel that, we are doing all the back end work and no one is appreciating our work. Okay, people feel that thing. Okay, when I was a secretary, I was, कि मैं सारे एवेन्यूज का काम मैं कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है, मैं सबका डेटाबेस कलेक्ट कर रहा हूँ, मैं सबके रिपोर्ट्स देख रहा हूँ, मैं सब कर रहा हूँ, तो मुझे कोई अप्रिशिएट ही नहीं कर रहा है यार, because we are the back end people, correct? So I used to feel that thing, okay, but I realized that thing, कि एक टाइम भी, एक डे भी, पूरे दिन में अगर एक टाइम पे हम लोग रिप्लाई नहीं करते सेक्रेटरी से, ठीक है, सेक्रेटरी टीम से रिप्लाई नहीं आता है, तो पूरा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हिल जाता है या फिर पूरा क्लब हिल जाता है, right? So secretaries are very, very, very much important. Okay, so I have one story. Okay, so when I was a secretary, I will tell you, मैं बीच में ना गायब हो गया था मेरे एग्जाम की वजह से, ठीक है. So I was having my CA इंटर एग्जाम. ओके, और मैंने बोल दिया था हंसिका को कि यार मेरे से नहीं होगा, मेरे पढ़ाई करनी है अभी, ठीक है. That time, that 1 week, okay, मैंने 1 week पहले ही Rotaract से छुट्टी लिया था. That 1 week, Hansika and the entire team realized the value of secretariat, because they knew कि उन्होंने बोला था अरे हाँ हाँ कर लेंगे हम लोग, ठीक है. But I was getting calls in those 6 days also, in my leave also, कि भाई ये कैसे करना है, यहाँ पे किसर जाना है, ये डेटाबेस किसने किया, ये क्या हो रहा है, ठीक है. Irrespective, my joint secretaries was there, okay, उन लोग थे, but कोई चीजें, that secretaries only know about it, right? So every time, after that my leave, my DRR told me that, this is the last leave I am giving you, okay? After that, you are not taking any leaves. Okay, so that was the thing, that time I realized that, they need me. Okay, without that, without secretariat, we cannot do anything. So all the secretaries, be proud to yourself. Okay, you are an important person to the district, to the club. Okay, without you guys, nothing can happen. So, explore this avenue, okay? Just not, write minutes and, read things. But yeah, that's the part of your job. Obviously, but explore this avenue. Okay, you can do wonders in this avenue, and the level of respect you get as a secretary, it's different kind of thing. Like after president, people know how whom to reach out, who will be there for them, correct? And that's the secretary. So I will always say that be proud to yourself, because this avenue, this position is very, very much important, and without you, things might not run in a good way. So yeah, you are a kind of thing, important person for all of us. So yeah, for the secretaries.
That's really great. Thank you so much, Bharat, for taking on the time and answering our questions.
Thank you so much for inviting me here. And I was when I was giving the answer, I was recollecting all my secretariat days. So thank you so much for giving me that memories back. So yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, it was great talking to you, Sakshi and Sneha. It was lovely talking to you. And that's really nice idea, that talking to past secretaries and asking them question. It's good for you guys also, and good for us also to remember our days. And yeah, so that's all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.